Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Dulce. As you can see, this big mess that I have right now in my pantry. Well, today it's going to be an organizing video. Yes, again, I have been organizing a lot of things for my house, so this time it's the pantry because I'm so embarrassing because how bad this has become. What's going on here? So like y'all know, I bought some clear containers for some of the stuff that I have, and I will put them there because right now I have them on top of the fridge and it's looking really bad and horrible and not organized. So yeah, let's start with this video, and first thing I will do is take everything out of the shelves because this is no, this is horrible. I always keep organizing, then again it keeps getting messy. So let's hopefully now this time I do organize everything well and that everything gets better because it's so embarrassing seeing this pantry like this. Okay, now that I have everything out of the shelves, you can see it's really bad and dirty. I need to clean those. Like on that, like, are you serious? What's that? And I already took everything out from the bottom. Also, it's very dirty with stuff. Yeah, it's so embarrassing. I really need to clean this thing. On the very top, I'm not gonna take those bins out because those are just medicines and baking stuff that I usually don't get a lot. So the only things I'm getting down are all of these shelves and start cleaning those. Like, are you serious? How nasty is that? I'm sorry. I know it's embarrassing, but don't come out for me because I know that nobody is perfect and clean. So I try my best every time organize again this pantry or organize my house, because with having 3 kids you never will have a organizing house. So let's now clean this. Okay, as you saw, I got everything out of the pantry, and this is my big mess that I have on top of my stove and on the countertops. My kitchen is not that big, it's really tiny and small. And here are the bins that I told you I'm going to use for the rice and cereal and sugar. So those are the ones I'm going to use for all of these. I will see first what are the stuff that are expired and throw it away, because like I said, your girl has a lot of stuff and I didn't even know I have all of this stuff until I took everything out. So let me just see what works, what's expiring, what's not expired, and let's keep on moving with this organizing this pantry. Okay, everybody, I'm finished. This is the after of how I organize. So like I said, on the top, I'm not gonna touch that because those are random stuff, and like for baking, some extra medicine and all of that. So that's there. On the second shelf, I have beans. I need to fill this up. Rice, some um, wheat rice, brown sugar, powdered sugar, and well, those are liquors. I put them on the top so my kids don't touch them. And on the third shelf in here, I have some teas, something for my throat, and cinnamon in this little bag, as you can see. In here I have nuts, extra sugar. On the back it's tea also. Over there I have some coconut oil. And here's some instant food, like instant noodles, instant what's this, overnight oats, and some mac and cheese. On the bottom it's mostly like breakfast stuff. So in here you will see they have pancake mixture, syrup, oats, peanut butter, coffee creamer, some coffee, sugar. Oh no, that's stevia sugar. On the front I have the 3 cereals. On the back of the cereals you will not see because the cereals are like, there's more sugar and some instant oats. So that's that from this shelf. The last shelf I have like random stuff. Oh, something fell. So these like soups to make hot chocolate, to make atole. That's Valentina, that's spicy. Some extra rice because I didn't know where to put it. On the back there's black beans. Those are chia seeds. These ones are my toddler snacks bin. There I have some waffle cones, some granola, and some chocolate mixture, and that's it. So on the bottom I only have water, some cans of sparkling water, and 1 Pepsi. On the right side, this side, I have on these little coolers some extra bags from the grocery store. I have these extra bags that we also use for the bathroom, these trash bags. So that's it. This is my pantry. It looks like very better. I know I need to take these blue beans off because I really don't like them no more. I want like to put only white and grays, as you can see. I will also take those beans blue out because I really want to now have only grays beans or white because I love those colors. So I will definitely get that one and those two out too soon when I go to the Dollar Tree. If you didn't know, these gray beans I got it from the Dollar Tree. The blue beans also. This container with the blue lid also is from the Dollar Tree. This one is from IKEA, Walmart. On the bottom top, those are from IKEA. This is from the Dollar Tree, and these ones are from IKEA. But I think I will also, I'm not sure if I'm gonna let that one there because I want them to be all white tops. But for now, like I say, I think it's looking much better. So let's do the before and after clip. So now you saw the before and after, and this is it. This is how I organize my pantry for now. I know it's not the best Pinterest or Instagram pantry, but this is what I have. I'm on a budget, so hopefully I like it. Please give me a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and put your notification on so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Bye everybody, have a nice day.